die 15 times. And we want to know the probability that we get more than 6 threes. Okay, so first thing that's important here is to recognize the distribution. This is a binomial distribution, okay, which means there are two outcomes. Okay, the two outcomes here are 3 or not 3. If it's not 3, we don't care if it's a 5 or a 6. Just not 3 is the other outcome. Okay. And we have the probability here of 3, which is 1 over 6. Okay. So basically, what you need to do here is add up the probability that, so x represents the number of threes. So we need to get the probability that it's 7 threes, 8 threes, all the way up to 15 threes. These are all bigger than 6. Okay. So this is a fairly cumbersome calculation. A lot of things here. Let's look at one piece and the probability that x equals 7. Okay. So the probability that x equals 7. We have the combination here. So out of 15 rolls, there are 7 ways to arrange 7 threes. Okay. So these are the different arrangements. The probability then is the probability of rolling a 3 to the power 7, probability of not rolling a 3, 5 over 6, for the remaining 15 rolls, which is power 8. Okay. And then this is x equals 8, and then you have to go on. Okay. So it would be good to be familiar with this summation notation. This basically summarizes the whole calculation. And this could save you a bit of time. You could look at the opposite. So that's 1 minus all the times that it's not more than 6, or in other words, less than 7. So that would be 1 minus, this is x equals 0 all the way up to 6. Okay. Now, most calculators these days can do this. If you have a graphic display calculator, probably has a function for this. So it's important that you recognize what you're using here, binomial distribution. If you don't recognize that, you won't be able to input it into your calculator. Okay. If you do have a calculator that will do it, all you need to put in is the number of tries and the success. And then you have to put in the boundaries. In here, like, or you can just do to 15. Okay, here's an answer that you can try to match. Go through it'd be useful at least one time, go through all this stuff, add it all up, try to match that. Then if you have a calculator that will do it, reproduce the number on the calculator. Okay, I hope that was helpful.